Welcome back to another tutorial with WPS College. In this video, we will be introducing some of the best features in WPSPDF editor for working online. And one of them is adding signature. To add signature to this simple PDF file, simply go to Insert tab on the top menu bar. Click the option PDF signature to the far right. Select New Signature. On this operation menu, you can either import existing image, or click Input to type the signature out, or select Writing option to draw your own one on your computer tab or mouse. For encrypt file, find Protect option on top menu bar and click Encrypt. Input the password on the operation interface and click OK to finish encryption.
You are my sunlight.
The second option, Set, Edit, and Extract key. You can encrypt the file with specific commands such as print, copy, annotations, and so on. Please subscribe, and you can also leave comments down below for ideas that you might like to see in WPS Office in the future. Thank you, bye bye!